This 2016 Forest River Tracer Air is brought to you by Roughin It Inc. This Tracer Love Shack is complete with tiger print cushions, an entertainment center, and a beautiful outdoor awning with TV mounted hookup. Come down today and grab this one for your special someone. This unit comes with indoor and outdoor stereo speakers, a full kitchen, and a curtain to give you privacy if guests stay on your fold-down bed sectional. The spacious bathroom has a large shower and storage galore for all of your personal items. Call or text Ashley at 440-669-7955 for more details. Visit us at roughinetrip.com.